Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching tone and prepping properly. First, pick a concealer one shade darker if you expect flash. This prevents washed-out white cast. Once chosen, apply a lightweight silicone or hydrating primer to smooth skin. Make sure it is oil-free if you'll set with powder. Do a quick camera or flash test in natural light and remove excess with a tissue. This confirms your match and prevents over-application that causes bright cast later. Now you apply in controlled, thin layers. Dot concealer sparingly in small 1 to 2 mm marks where needed, because thick layers refract light and create white cast. Once done, blend outward with a damp sponge or narrow brush using light pressure. This spreads product evenly and eliminates concentrated reflective spots. Then, build coverage slowly. Apply in small increments of about 10 to 20% until you reach the desired opacity, and make sure edges are feathered into surrounding skin. Finish by setting correctly to lock your seamless finish. Press a finely milled translucent or skin tint powder with a flat puff. Avoid swiping motions that move product and reveal white edges. Once set, lightly bronze or use a matching powder around borders to remove any halo. If you still see white cast in photos, don't panic. Press a damp sponge over the area to absorb excess or gently lift product. This often rescues the look without redoing your whole base.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.